Another hot day, guys. Today, I'm going to look for some flour. So, just going to a shop up here. It's about 10 minutes away. But I thought, let's see what we see on the way down. It's Sunday now. Saturday nights. You see, there's not much going on really. Just a lot of loud music and alcohol. Like there's not much concept to it. So I was gonna go out at the beginning. And then when I went for a walk, I got a feeling that these people don't know how to have fun. They know how to make a lot of noise and drink, but they don't have fun. I don't know if you know the difference, but that's how I felt. So I didn't bother going out. I went out for a walk. I got back home about 11, 12. There wasn't much going on, I don't think. And because of this law that women can't mix with men, it makes it a bit weird. I'm not used to countries like that, so I'm not saying I need to be hanging around with a woman or something, but just the whole way that the women are here is different. It's a different attitude, different. So I just can't get with it. So I'm just keeping myself to myself. And it's kind of like everyone, not in the whole world, everyone wants their own way. So if a woman don't get what she wants from you, she can just call the police and cause problems. Like women cause problems anyway. This just makes it easier for them to get you in trouble. So as much as I like the place, I'm not trying to mix with too many people. I don't rush to mix with men, and I'm not allowed to mix with the women, because that's another thing. Like they say that everybody's watching you. Like if you're talking to a girl as a friend, even people are watching to see what sort of relationship it is between you two. So it's just like, how can you relax like that? Or like, you know, the girl could like see someone that she doesn't want to be seen with you, and then turn the whole thing around, and it's like, I just can't trust this way of being. So I'm keeping myself to myself, and it's a little bit different. It's not boring because it's all new, so it's interesting to see what's going on, but that's the situation. Lots of nice cars over here. Is this the market or something? I hate how loud they play the music. It's just like it's not good music, and it's clear and loud, and it I don't know, man. It's just not for me. That's the best way to put it. It's not for me. Having a nice break, I can get a lot of work done in areas like this because there's nothing else to do. It seems like if I was going to make a lot of content here, it'd be like a lot of walking videos. So nearly there now. It's going to be on the other side. Should walk on the other side, shouldn't I? Looking for a supermarket called Giraffe. Had a lie-in this morning. So about, what time is it now? About 12. No, I don't know what time is it. 1:30 it is now, so I probably got up about half an hour ago. So yeah, about 1ish. I was just walking out the hostel and I could see an Asian man listening to some news about China and America, what's going to happen and all of that palaver. And I'm interested in what's going to happen because people are saying Trump's not going to win or something. And if you think about it, right, prices of hotels will have to come down, the products that they're selling will have to come down, and they'll have to go back a few years and then come forward again. So to me, it's a bit of good news because it's getting a bit difficult to do. It's getting expensive over here. So once the money comes down and they realise that there's not as much money coming in again, things are going to go back a little bit and we're going to get better prices. So just that, like, I don't want people to lose their work and that, but if that's the way that they have to understand it, then it's going to benefit us. But anyway, so loads of banks again, as usual. And this is the store. So, because it was so quick to get here, I'm going to film inside there so you can get to see what it's like in there. So yeah, I'm looking some flour, some tomatoes, like salad tomatoes. Everywhere I go, it's got cooking tomatoes. So let's see if we've got some salad tomatoes. Let's go. You can see the vegetables over there, fruit and that. So let's start over here. I'm looking to see, and I want some nuts actually, some walnuts. It's missing my stuff. See, I told, yeah, as I thought, they just got the cooking tomato. This is starting to become a problem. I need some apples though. Alright, I'm gonna come back to this. To that. Never think about that. Please don't be a basic shop, man. Please be special. Please. So what's that? Coconut something. Coconut water's what? There's no price there. Get it by by the house, the hostel. How much is that olive oil? Oh, they got coconut oil, that's good. It's expensive, but at least they've got it. Alright, olive oil is expensive as well. It's expensive everywhere, olive oil. I'm gonna have to buy it one of these days. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it today though. I got the coconut oil. I'm not gonna have two oils unless it's small and cheap. What is this? Baby food. No. What's over there? Tea and coffee. Alright, let's carry on this way. Crisp and biscuits and stuff. Noodles. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, nah. Right, they might have the nuts here. Oh, they've got the pumpkin seeds. Hey, that's good. I wonder how much they are. Where's the nuts then? What's that? Oh, they're expensive. They got a smaller bag. They have as well. 55, I'll take that, man. I need these. How much is in there? Oh, it's the last bag as well. Taking them no matter what. It's in the night time. I ain't got a snack, man. I'm eating rubbish. I've got a few pumpkin seeds from there. Should I get some? I don't even know the price of them. I should get them though, because I need them. Wait there. How much have I got there? I know. Yeah, I've got some left, man. Let's wait till I run out. So they've got a few healthy things in here. So there's a chance that they may have the flour. I need the flour so I can make some cake stuff and dumplings and stuff like that. Don't really need much. If they got canola as well, I'd like to know. Baking soda, gelatin. I don't think they've got it. I don't think they've got it. It's like I can feel that they've got quinoa, I just can't see it. I don't need it, but... Oh, chickpeas, I forgot about that. So I haven't finished looking, so I need to look some chickpeas. Spices, don't need them. Nappies in there. Okay, we have to go back. Alright then, that's it guys. Like, you've seen most of the shop now. I'm going to carry on with what I'm doing and I'll speak to you after.